Revision of integers. Integer consists of positive numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It consists of positive numbers 0 and negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So integers consist of positive number, 0 and negative number. As we move from left to right, the numbers are arranged in ascending order. When you move from right to left, the numbers are arranged in descending order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, like that. Successor, when you add 1 to the number, you get the successor. What is the successor of -65? You need to add 1 to it. So you get as -64. If I take -100, then what is the successor of -100? It is -99. Number towards right, as you can see, they are greater. And number towards left, they are smaller. Predecessor. So now you need to find out the number 1 before the given number. So you have to move towards left. So what is predecessor of -65? You have to subtract 1. So the predecessor is -66. It will come this side towards left. What is predecessor of -100? You need to subtract 1. You get -101. It will be further towards left. Ascending order, as I have just now told you, when you move from left to right, the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Let us arrange the numbers between -10 and +10 in ascending order. So it is ascending order means smaller to greater. So -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So all these numbers are between 10 and -10. This is all less than 10 and all this is greater than -10. So these are the numbers between -10 and 10. So we have arranged in ascending order from -9 to +9. Let us now arrange the number in descending order. Say for example, you have to arrange the numbers in descending order from -10 to -20. So -10 is the greater number and -20 is the smaller number. Descending is from greater to smaller. So -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15, -16, -17, -18, -19, -20. So we have arranged the numbers in descending order. Now let us take these questions. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. So you know in integers, whenever you come across any situation which are opposites, then integers comes into picture. So let us take here for example, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground. So if you take ground as 0, then above the ground is positive and below the ground is negative. So this is above the ground because aeroplane is flying. So what will be the sign here? Plus, and it is flying at 2000 meter above the ground. So plus 2000 meters. Submarine is moving at a depth at 800 meter below the sea level. If you consider the sea level to be 0, then above the sea level is positive below the sea level is negative. So submarine is below the sea level. So it is minus. And how much depth it is? 800 meters. So minus 800 meters. Now, write all the integers between minus 4 and 4. So let us write down the integers between minus 4 and 4. So we can write down in any order. They did not tell you to write down in ascending order or descending order. So let us write down from minus 4. Minus 4 is the smallest. Then between means here it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have arranged what are the numbers between minus 4 and 4? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the numbers between minus 4 and 4. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20 means it will lie towards right hand side. So you can see right hand side how the numbers are arranged. It is minus 20, 4 negative integers, then that means it is you have to write down greater than. So greater than minus 20 is minus 19, then minus 18, then minus 17, then minus 16. So they ask for 4 integers. So these are the 4 integers, minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16 are the 4 integers greater than minus 20. Write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Less than minus 10 means it will be towards left hand side. So left hand side it is minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. So these are the 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Now, in each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So here to the right on the number line is greater and left is smaller. So if you find out which out of these two numbers is greater, that number will be towards the right. So out of 2 and 9, 9 is the greater number. So this number will be towards the right. Minus 3 and minus 8, minus 3 is the greater number. So it will be towards right of minus 8. So which number is towards the right? Minus 3. Minus 6 and plus 6, that is very easy. 6 is the greater number. So 6 is towards the right. Addition of integers. So whenever you add two positive integers, the sign will be positive. So here 5 and 4 both are positive integers. So the sign is positive. So it is 9. Whenever you add negative integers, the result is negative because you are adding all negative integers. So the sign will be negative and then you add the number as it is. So the summation is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now when you add positive or negative, then you need to find out the difference and the sign of the greater number. So difference between 11 and 5 is you subtract the smaller number from the greater. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So, and the sign of the greater number is 11. What is its sign? Minus. So this is minus. Minus 5 plus 10. So here also minus and plus are there. So you need to find the difference. Subtract smaller number. Smaller is 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And the sign of the greater number. Greater number is 10. So the sign will be positive. Now here you have two negative integers and one positive integer. So first we need to add two negative integers. When you add two negative integers, the result is negative. So minus 4 and minus 2 is minus 6 and this plus 8. Now here you can see it is minus and plus. So you need to find out the difference. 8 minus 6 is 2 and the sign of the greater number. Greater number is 8. The sign is positive. So the result is positive. Now let us do this question. Here there are three negative integers. So first let us all add the negative integers. So minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10 and minus 65 is minus 75. So 37 plus of minus 75. So here you need to find out the difference. So which one is greater? 75. 37 is smaller. So 75 minus 37. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. And the sign of the greater number. So greater number is 75. The sign is minus. So you need to put a minus sign. Now let us see how to add integers on the number line. Let's take this question. Using the number line, write the integers which is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5 means first you need to locate 5. Your 5 is here. 3 more means you move towards right. Whenever you add, you move towards right. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 8. So 3 more than 5 is equals to 8. This is how we do addition on number now. Let's take this question. 5 more than minus 5. So you need to first locate minus 5 and 5 more. You are doing addition means you are going to move towards right. 5 more means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you reach 0. 5 more than minus 5 is equals to 0. Let us now take additive inverse. Numbers like minus 5 plus 5 whose summation is 0, they are called additive inverse of each other. Plus 17, then additive inverse is minus 17. Their summation is 0. So 17 and minus 17 they are called as additive inverse. So if you have to find out the additive inverse of minus 26, you just need to change the sign. This is minus, then the number will be positive plus 26. The summation is 0. If the number is positive, say 35, then additive inverse is minus 35. Their summation is 0. Subtraction of integers. To subtract one integer from another integer, we need to add the additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. Let us do these questions. Find 35 minus 20. So 35 you are subtracting. So you just need to add the additive inverse of that number which is being subtracted. Plus 20 additive inverse is minus 20. So difference, because this is plus and minus, so 35 minus 20 is 15 and the sign of the greater number plus 15. Now here 72. You need to add the additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. Additive inverse of plus 90 is minus 90. And both are positive and negative. So you need to find out the difference. 90 minus 72 is 18. Sign of the greater number. Minus because 90 is negative. Here minus 15 plus additive inverse of minus 18 is 18. 18 minus 15 is 3, sign of the greater number. Greater number is 18. So plus minus 20 plus you need to add additive inverse of plus 13 is minus 13. Both the numbers are negative, so the result is negative. So this is 33. 23, you need to add the additive inverse of the second number that is being subtracted. So minus 12 is plus 12. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. Both are positive, so result is positive. So here minus 32, add the additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. So plus 30. Now this is minus, that is plus, so difference you need to take and the sign of the greater number. Minus 32 is greater. So minus. Find the value of -8 minus of -10 using the number line. So let us do that. What you have to find? -8 minus of -10. So here, what are you going to do? -8. Since you are subtracting, you need to add the additive inverse of -10 is +10. So you need to first locate -8 and add 10 to them. So let us write down here -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here first you need to locate -8 and you need to add +10. So you need to move towards right side. How much? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So where did you reach? 2. So the answer here is 2. You can check also. You can see 8 minus and plus. So you need to find out the difference. 10 minus 8 is 2 and the sign of the greater number. Greater number is 10, that is plus. So the result is positive. Subtract -4 from -10. So you need to subtract -4 from -10. So what is it? -10. Need to add the additive inverse of -4 is +4. Now both are alternate signs, so difference is 6, sign of the greater number. That is how we do it. Now let us do these questions. Find. So let us do it one by one. -7. You need to add the additive inverse of, here it is +8. So it is -8. This I am copying as it is. So now you are adding both negative integers. So it is -7 minus 8 is -15. Now you need to take you need to add the additive inverse of -25 is +25. Both are alternate sign. So difference is 10 and sign of the greater number. Greater number is 25. So the result is positive. Let us do this question. -13 plus 32 is how much? It is 19. Because it is minus, it is plus. So sign of the greater number. Minus, you need to write down -8 -1 as it is. Now 19, you are subtracting 8. So you need to add the additive inverse of +8 is -8. -1 I am writing as it is. So difference is 11, sign of the greater number. So greater number is 19. It is positive. So the result is positive. Now you need to take the additive inverse of 1 is -1. So because this was being subtracted from this, we already subtracted and wrote it here. Now you need to add the additive inverse of the second number. That's what we did. So now this is 11, difference is 10, sign of the greater number. Greater number is 11, so the answer is 10. Using the number line, write the integers which is 6 less than 2. So first you need to locate 2. So where is your 2? Your 2 is here. 6 less than. Less than means you will move towards left side. So 6 less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is -4. 6 less than 2 is -4. Now 3 less than -2. So you need to first locate -2. -2 is here. 3 less than means you have to move towards left. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is -5. So 3 less than -2. So that is equals to -5.